Hi there, it's George here, and today I decided to grow pomelo from seed, and as you can see here, I bought a pomelo fruit from supermarket, and I hope there are seeds inside. So just I have to cut it, and then we'll see. I have to sow the pomelo seeds, and then we will wait for germination. So interesting, it's my first time when I try to germinate pomelo. Let's start. So I'm ready to cut this pomelo. It is for the first time when I cut it, and I should succeed. Well, this is the knife. That's it. Let's try. First, I'm gonna cut it from there somewhere. It smells so good. Look at the beautiful flower here. It is so delicious, but I don't know if it has seeds inside. Let's check out. Well, some seeds are here, as you can see, tiny seeds, and I have to put them to germinate. I will select them. I think the seeds are enough, and I have to wash a little bit under object of water. I finished doing this as well, and the seeds are clean, and I have to sow them already. I'm gonna use universal potting soil with pH 5 to 6.5, and the pot I'm gonna use this one, as you can see the size, and let's just put the soil here. Before we sow the seeds, we have to water the soil first. I will use rainwater at the room temperature, and let's water. I think this potting soil is quite wet, and let's sow the seeds finally. Well done, I finished, and now I have to add a layer of potting soil here above. Now we have to spray a little bit. Well done, now I have to put it in a zip bag to keep moist inside. This pot we have to keep under the warm place, and now waiting for germination. It can take about at least 3 weeks, but we will see. I will do an update video if the seeds will germinate, and thanks a lot for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.